So day 14 of the peas. So these are growing really well. You might find a few that are a bit longer than others. It's not a problem, but you can really pick them off and try them. They're really sweet. Kids love these, and again they make great packed lunch bits, and obviously just getting kids interested in growing and seeing that they can pick it in such a short amount of time. And obviously these can be used as a base for the other microgreens, so they can be used as they are, but I would let them go a bit longer actually. And these are really open out, these pea leaves. So just watering each day, and again they're coming through, the roots are coming through, so that's normal. Just be careful where you're placing them. Probably ideally like a sort of tray, you know, sort of the TV dinner trays you put on your lap, something like that, to put it on. I had these on our shelving, but they would have to go on the top now because of the space between here and here. They'll just get a bit squashed, but it's lovely to have them greens in the home. So when it comes to harvesting them, I will be doing another video, and I'm going to give these until the end of the week. So yeah, peas on day 14.